This is Geet and welcome to my channel. So today I'm starting a new series of Python. So this is the Python basic course in which you will learn how to do the coding in Python, and this is the basic course. And for this there is no prerequisite. You only need a laptop and a good browser like Google Chrome. So we will do everything on the web. So there are so many IDEs for Python, but the one which I use is the online GDB. Well, you can use Jupyter Notebook as well. It's completely your preference, but for this course we'll be using the Geet. Go to GDB, onlinegdb.com, and there are plenty of options like C, C++, PHP, and here is Python. So we'll select Python and it will automatically greet us with this comment and a hello world program. So today's program is this much: printing a string. So this is the text editor. In the bottom you can see the standard input, this thing. So this is where you will get your output, and these are some options which we can hide. So just quickly run it and see if it works or not. So it says hello world, so this means our program is working. Let's print something else. Print bye bye world. This seems a little bit rude. How are you? And just run. So this is that much easy. So this was about the hello world program. I'll see you in the next lecture.